So I will show you guys how to hold people. So just on that and make it slow mo. Just 2 times it when editing. So this guys, if you want to do something, just pause it and disable it. And then when you grab, you pause. So that. Oh my god. And then, yep, you pick her up. Oh, not a jet dragon. And bang. You can like hold yeah, hold chips like this. Wait a minute.
Hoy, tingnan mo ano ginagawa ng
And then
game.
hold that.
Nander!
See now, that's how you hold things. You just need to cut it perfectly when pausing. So yeah, that's how you hold